How to create new title block in OrCAD Capture? Just go to place, title block, select your title block, place it. Now just copy the title block name, the title block from design cache, copy it to your library, double click. Whatever changes you want to do, you can do. I'm going to add organization name. Organization name. Okay. And to add something more, designed by. Approved by. So three information I have added: organization name, designed by, approved by. These all information you have to add into part property. Just go and organization name. Just add the value. Designed by. Approved by. Okay. Just save this with new name, demo, title, block. Save it. Just delete the older one and place new title block that you have saved into your library. You can see designed by, approved by, and organization name. So just go on design, edit, browse, title block. Use instant preferred. Select both the schematic pages. Just go to property. Here you can see that all the information are updated, added. Just need to update your whatever information you have added. Approved by Jack. Somewhere designed by Rock. Title you can add something. ABC. I don't remember anything. Just anything. Organization name here. Just added. Must be something. XYZ PVT Ltd. You can see that there are two places organization name. This one I have added since there is space between organization and name. So just do OK, save it, close it. Now you can see that here